friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi'Teaching. In my previous video I have explained about that is part 1, MS Word part 1. In that I have explained about documents, this one. So today I am explaining about designing formats and remaining all. Before this I want to just say that if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, please share it. Okay, now let us go into the topic. Now this is designing formats. What is designing formats? Now, as I said in my previous video, that is in part 1, I have explained about documents. In that we will be creating a documents like this. That means a page. We'll be creating a page. So for this page, you have to do some format to it. For example, if you write on a book or in the book, you will be opening the book, and in each page you will do some presentation skills on it. Right? You will be writing heading on it, and you will underline it. And if you want to just make it highlighted, that heading, what you will do, you will just take that heading in bold letters like this. You make it as bold and you will underline it. So like that type of things are called as formatting. Now that only I want to explain in this. Designing format. Earlier I said that in menu bar you have options like file, edit, design. Now design options will be there, insert option also will be there. All these options I will be dealing in my practical session, right? Before that, I want to just say how to design the page. There is nothing, just you have to click on that design option, and you will be entering into that particular options and select whatever you want. For example, bold letters you want. You have to select that thing, this word, total word you have to select, and you have to select bold, italic. Italic, bold is nothing but thick letters you will be getting. Italic means slanting letters. Underline means underlining. And this is how formatting you will be there. And still many are there. I will be dealing with that in practical session. Next comes the images. Actually, what is image? Image is nothing but it is a picture or photo or your own picture. Now see, this is the document. Suppose I want to keep one image here. At that moment you have to go to that particular option. Here insert is the tab where you will be inserting or adding images, right? So in the here also, for this also you will have one tab called insert. Insert tab, if you click there you will be finding many options, right, to add the pictures. Next comes the tables. I will explain you about tables. Like you might have, for example, I will take school mark list. All of you might know assignment list, mark list, or reports you might have seen, school reports and all. College wise, all those things, what you call certificates. There you will be having some columns and rows. So that is called as table format. It will be in the form like this. See, these are the rows, these are the columns. Now suppose if you want to enter ID number, name of the student, marks scored, like that, grade. So like this, all the options you can write in that. If you go through the table format, it will be easy for everybody to understand the data, right? So that is about the tables. Next comes mail merges. Mail merge is nothing but it is used to create a letter or write a letter and send to different people. Suppose you are writing one letter. For example, this is used to send the one piece of information to 100 people. Suppose, for example, I will take New Year wishes. New Year wishes. Now wishing message. Now this message I want to send to not one person, 100 people I will send. How should I send? You have to send it through mail merge. There is an option called in MS Word is mail merge, where you have to, or you can send these many these many messages, one message only, but to different people. So this can be done only with the mail merge. It will merge everybody, right? So that is about the mail merge. And one more thing what I want to say is, not only these are the main topics in the Word document, sorry, MS Word software, but still many are there which are very small ones. Those things I will be explaining you in my practical sessions. I will most probably I'll be doing many practical sessions, like different parts. So clearly each and everything I will explain in that. I'm not going to leave anything. So I think with this I can conclude my class. And what more else, like I've covered all these things, and the remaining, if anything I have not covered here, I'll be covering in my practical sessions. Next video will be the practical session, and that too I'll be doing it in part wise. So don't miss it, and you can learn much knowledge. You may get much knowledge with these videos. I'll be explaining it clearly in practicals, right? And if you like it, I hope you have liked it, you have understood clearly. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.